Cujo, come here. Come here, Cujo. Come on, killer. Come on. Try that, killer. Get it, killer. Ah, that's not really Cujo. That's Rosie. Bye, Rosie. Hello, everybody. As you read correctly in the thumbnail, yes, I'm freeze-drying dog food. And the reason why, well, one, freeze-drying dog food so we can have it in storage because it takes up a lot of space in the refrigerator. And two, you gotta have food storage for your fur babies, right? Fur babies. And then if you look right up here, produce from the gardens. So, reason why we make our own dog food is because we have a dog, and any store-bought dog food seemed to cause her to have mild seizures. And then my wife had a client. The client was like, hey, I make my dog food, it's simple, a couple ingredients, and then guess what? No seizures. So we make it. We use ground meat, mostly turkey. If you want to, you know, sometimes the recipe changes up because we're keeping it different for her. So we use, like, I got ground turkey here. We got it on sale. We use canned pumpkin. Just buy canned pumpkin. We're going to put a couple scoops of peanut butter in it because she's got a sweet tooth. We're going to see how that works. And then we use quick oats. You can use ground chicken. You can use, instead of pumpkin, use sweet potatoes. I think we've added blueberries before. I don't think she really dug the blueberries. The only thing we could use brown rice. I think we've used brown rice before, and we used white rice one time and it went bad rather quickly, so we stick mostly to the brown rice and the oats. But for this batch, all we're doing is oats, turkey, pumpkin, and a couple spoonfuls of peanut butter, and we'll just mix it up. Well, we'll cook this, mix it up, get it all cooked up, and get it freeze dried. And obviously we'll keep some out because it's time to make her food also, and she's hungry. So again, you're restricted to what you want to put in it. I've seen people make dog food and put apples in it. I guess you could put apples in it if you want, you know, just chunks of apple. But this was a guy living out and whatever. I don't remember if I mentioned we've done calf liver. We've done that. So anything you know a dog could eat in the wild, you could, of the body parts. Obviously you don't want to go out and just whack a raccoon and be like, here, feed it to your dog. But this is just something we do, feed her, keep her from having seizures, and it's technically probably a lot cheaper and healthier. So we'll get this cooked up and we'll bring it back. I'm not going to show you mixing it up. It's just ground meat and like 3 ingredients. So we'll get it all mixed up, we'll bring it back, throw it on the freeze dryer trays, plus minus a couple, you know, servings for her, and then we'll get it popped in the freeze dryer and we'll go from there. Stay with me. Alright everybody, the food has been cooked thanks to my lovely wife. She did most of it. Just want to throw out there, it's on the tray, cooled completely off. You can also use carrots instead of pumpkin. You can use sweet potatoes. Don't buy canned sweet potatoes, just get like a whole sweet potato and bake that dude, and then mash it up and put it in there. So again, this is just dog food that we feed our dog on a regular basis. We changed it up to keep the flavor different. So I'll go ahead and get this in the freeze dryer and I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright, it took roughly 42 hours. I added some time because of course work and sleep. So again, this is dog food, and the reason why we wanted to freeze dry it, one, you buy the meat in bulk and you can't take up freezer space, and then when they cook it they put it in a bowl and put it in the fridge. So why not freeze dry it, add water, and then you got it. And we're just going to store it in an airtight container because, you know, there we go. So yeah, here you go, give this a try. Look at that. It's an ugly yellow collar, but whatever. So here's just another idea you guys could use a freeze dryer for. Alright, thanks for watching.